Here at Pegasus Auto Racing Supplies, we're one of Facet's biggest dealers. That's why they allowed us to carry a few certain part numbers that are designed for select Kubota and Yanmar tractors or equipment. This one happens to be an FAC 60249. This would be for a Yanmar 77401. This pump happens to operate at a maximum pressure of 3 to 5 psi with a maximum flow rate of 30 gallons per hour. Obviously, that would be one end being plugged for the max psi and one end being completely open, 100% free flow. Typical operation is going to be around 11 gallons per hour at 2 psi. This one does have a flying lead for the positive and a ring terminal for the negative. It also has an anti-drain back valve so that fuel can't go back into the pump. And it does come with these 5/16 to 1/8 MPT barbs. These do have thread sealant on the threads right away so that you don't need any additional thread sealant or other parts and pieces to be able to assemble this or put it into whatever the equipment is. So with Facet's help, we're here to make sure that your equipment gets back out there and gets back to making you money.